How to use WhatsApp Wave on Android without QR scan. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up on a method on how we can use WhatsApp Wave on Android device without scanning any QR. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. But before doing that, I want you to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to open up a browser and search for WhatsApp Wave. I'm just gonna tap on the very first option. You can see WhatsApp Wave. Just tap on that tab and wait for it to be loaded. After that is loaded, you will be able to see this kind of interface. But before that, I want you to turn on the desktop site. You may just tap on this three dot and you will be able to see this desktop site. Just tap on it and turn it on. After that, here you will be able to see QR code, but since we're doing it without QR code, I'm just gonna tap on this link with phone number option, and here you need to enter your phone number and tap on next. After that, you will be able to see this on your screen. So you will also receive a notification on WhatsApp. What you need to do is just go to that notifications, and here you will be able to see this notification. What you need to do is just tap on confirm. That says, are you trying to link a device? Just tap on confirm and use your PIN. After that, enter the code that you see on your web browser. Just type in. Just wait for a few seconds for it to be loaded. After that, just get back on the web browser that you tried to log in, and it will load your chats here on your web browser. Just like that, you can use WhatsApp Wave on Android without even scanning a QR code. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.